Are you a graphic designer or a digital marketer? You are working hard but not getting any sales on your gigs, but you want to earn money instantly and easily. Today I'm going to show you a website that will pay you at least $500 per week after you sign in and doing absolutely no work. You don't have to work hard, no invest, and don't need to spend hours to create gigs. You will start making money at the moment you sign in. Even when you will sleeping, this site will generate passive income for you. You can do the work in both mobile and computer. It's just simple copy paste work that will help you earn $500 per week easily. So before I take you to the website, make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so whenever I post a new method to earn money, you can see it first, and that's how you could make the most money. Now let's jump into my computer screen. So guys, the website name is rumble.com. Just type into Google rumble.com, or I'll just put a link on my description. This is a website like it's an alternative website of YouTube. But the best part is when you upload a video on YouTube, if you have to make money, you need to monetize your channel. And in order to monetize, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. But the best part of Rumble is you don't need any subscribers or watch time to monetize your channel. The moment you upload a video, and it will take mostly like 10 to 15 minutes to monetize your video, and for every 1,000 views you will get money. The average CPM for 1,000 videos or 1,000 views are like $5 to $10, sometimes $15. It depends on which country traffic are watching your video. So just see here, this video here, it make 82 cents. The next one is $9.92. They are recently uploaded. And this one, sleepy mother owl cutlass with her child, this video earned 11.85 cents. And this one, it's uploaded on April 2, 2021. Video name is Very Unique Cat Absolutely Loves to Take Showers. It has 1,000 views and $2 earned. And the best part is you don't have to be a content creator to upload videos here, because pets videos, like animals videos like cats, dogs and other pets, these types of videos gets viral here. I mean, people love to watch those videos on this platform. So when you scroll down and up, you can see this type of videos are everywhere. So you don't need to shoot them, or you don't need to be a content creator. You can just download them from YouTube and just paste them here. I'll show you how you can do that. But first I'll show you how you can sign in on that website. Click on see the right, then there's sign in. Click on sign in and it will take you here. Here you can see you can create 3 types of accounts here. First one is free account, second one is publisher, and third one is business. I'll suggest you to create a free account. You can see here subscribe, upload and monetize. It's mean people can subscribe your channel, you can upload videos, and you also can monetize, ad supported. The second one is publisher, monetize video embeds, ad supported also. and the last one is business, host, manage and customize. The last one means when you upload your videos, no one can see this, only you have the authority, or who you share with, they will see the video. So just create a free account that will also monetize your channel. So all you have to do, there's name, type your name here, and there's a username, give a username here, set a password, retype your password, set an email address, retype your email address. There's a country, you can select which country you're from. They accept worldwide, so that's not a problem. Here is another option called refer. You can also put a refer code if you have one. I also will put my refer code in description, so you can put that here. Then here you can see address, city, postal code, state, province, phone number. Just put them on and click on you agree to all our terms and conditions, and just click on register. Then your account will be created. You don't have to worry about payment because this website is running from 2008 and it's still paying, and everyone is getting decent amount of money every month from this website. You just have to post continuous videos. So when you register, you can see an interface like this. When you click on here, that icon, that will show you your account contents. First one is account overview, the second one is earnings. Here you can see check your earnings, and the third one is my content. It means which over videos you upload here. The videos you can see here, they are licensed videos. If someone buy a license from your video, then you can see here which are licensed videos, and to upload videos you need to click here. Now I'll show you where you can get these types of videos. You just simply go to youtube.com and type like funny dog and search. But here is another thing, you have to click on this filters, and here you can see Creative Commons. If you filter the videos to Creative Commons, there will be appeared some videos without copyrights. You can use them anywhere, anytime, and you will not get any strike. So there are a lot of videos you can use. For example, I recently downloaded a video and I'll show you how you can upload that. You can choose any niche like dogs, cats, animals, weather. There are tons of niches you can choose, but the only thing you have to remember that you have to go to filters and check on Creative Commons, so you will not get any copyright. Now let's get into Rumble, and to upload a video, just click on upload your videos, and you can see an interface like this. Just select a video here, select the video you want to upload here. I choose this video. It's called chicken versus dog fight. I download that video from YouTube and filtered Creative Commons, so I can upload it here freely. I will not get any copyright. So basically you don't have to just put a title like dog versus chicken. Put a description, dog versus chicken best fights. Here you can see a description. You can describe your video. I'm just putting the title here. You can customize it as you like. And next one is video thumbnails. You can choose any of these thumbnails, or here you can see, or choose your own. It means you can choose any of the video scenes but manually from here. And here's tags. You can put some tags here like dogs, cats, funny dogs, chickens, etc. Just put 5 or 7 tags, that's enough. Now click on upload. There's another thing, the licensing options. The first one is video management exclusive. It means you are assigning exclusive rights management of your video to Rumble link. You will be entitled to 90% of the net advertising revenue on youtube.com and 60% of the net advertising revenue on other websites where we place your video. It says when they share your video on YouTube or other platforms, you will get 90% of the ad revenue from YouTube and 60% of the ad revenue from other websites. The second one is video management. You are assigning that exclusive rights management of your video to Rumble, excluding YouTube. It means they will not upload your video or share your video on YouTube if you select this one, and you will get 60% of revenue wherever they share your video. The third one is Rumble only. It means they will not share your video anywhere, it will only stay in Rumble. And the last one is personal use, not monetized and searchable, available to your subscribers. It means who doesn't subscribe to your channel, they cannot see your video. I don't recommend that one. So you can just choose first one of 3. The first one is better because they will share your video on YouTube and also in other websites and also in Rumble, so you can get more traffic and it gives you the opportunity to make more money. So just click on video management, select that one, first one, and there's additional video information, who recorded or appears in this video. If you upload your own video, you can fill those forms, but I always keep them because I download this video from YouTube. So if you upload videos from YouTube, you can skip them, and if you have your own content, you can fill those informations. Next one is please provide your YouTube video URL. If you share your YouTube channel's video here, you can share the URL here. And if you don't have any YouTube channel or YouTube videos, then just skip it. The last one is terms and conditions. Just click them and read the terms and conditions. You have not signed an exclusive agreement with our parties. Click here if you agree to our terms and conditions and just click and submit. See, my video is uploaded. And here you can see monetized embed code. It means my video is ready to monetize. Here's my direct link to my video. You can see here how the video will look like. Dog versus chicken best fights. They will take some time to encode the video, and after that they will publish the video and share it everywhere like on YouTube, on Rumble, or other video website like Facebook, Instagram, everywhere. So whenever someone clicks on your video, watch it, no matter they watch it for 1 second or 2 seconds or 1 minute or the full video, will still getting money. So that's the cool part here. And you can also upload small videos, they will also monetize. Like, see, this video has 11 seconds, it's a 11 seconds video, but it also make $14. That's a 30 seconds video, it made $67. That's a 69 seconds video, and sorry, it has not monetized yet. But the last one is 1 minute video and it earned $4. So you don't have to upload big videos, you can upload smaller videos and also you will make money. I'll suggest you upload smaller videos, so you can upload daily like 10 to 20 videos every day, and when they will monetized, you will earn $100 or $200 every day easily. Here we see my video is published. I need to refresh the page, and here's the video. You can see 5 April 2021. This is not monetized yet, it will take little time, like 5 to 10 minutes, sometimes an hour, but after that your video will monetize. I'm showing you guys this website because I usually worked on Fiverr, but nowadays Fiverr has a less work. I'm not getting lots of orders. Then I heard about this channel, this website, and I'm making decent amount of money here. So whenever you don't have any orders on Fiverr, you can just come and upload videos and make some extra money. So if you guys like my video, make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications every new method I post here. So see you till next time.